How to recover deleted videos from Android phone. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, in order for you to do that, you will need this app that's called Disk Digger. And honestly, it's an amazing app. If you open up Play Store and search for video recovery, you will see that it's among, if not the top and best app in this field, with over 100 million downloads and close to half a million 4 stars review. This app is amazing. Now, once you have downloaded the app, go ahead and open it. And as you can see, it has a really easy and simple to use interface. It has two sections: the basic scan with no root and the full scan with root required. For the sake of recovering the lost videos, you will need the second option, that's called the full scan. And to be frank with you, I have not used the um, video recovery on this app, but I have used the photo recovery and it works amazingly. So as you can see here, what I advise you to do is to take your mobile phone to someone who already knows how to root it, or you can do it yourself by searching on the web on how to do that. And once you have done that, this option will be unlocked and you can use it and get back the lost videos. I promise you guys, use this app, it's amazing. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover the deleted videos from your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next one.